Dzień dobry, and I'm an associate officer at the International Trade Center. We are the joint agency of the WTO and the UN. And what we do is to work with SMEs to help them expand, grow, and internationalize. And we are here today because we have been running the How to Export with the FCFTA workshop, which is part of a training program which we developed in partnership with the Afrexim Bank, and which we are implementing in various countries. The national workshop component is being implemented in 15 African countries, Kenya being the 7th one, where we're running this program. And we have started with the training of trainers session in the first 2 days, where we have trained the governmental institutions and the KenTrade trainers to impart the knowledge further to the SMEs. And now we have 2 additional days where the KenTrade traders and the other governmental institutions that we have trained are now imparting their knowledge with our participants, which include SMEs and other institutions. So what we are expecting from it, now that we are completing the first national workshop, is that the trainers we have trained will go further and deliver further workshops and implement this training program and give the chance to other SMEs to take benefit of this training program and learn about what does it entail to export in the context of the FCFTA, and also what are the skills that the exporters need to have in order to start exporting.